Well, you cannot, or should I say should not, automatically transfer your listings from eBay Australia to Amazon. And the reason for that is, let's just pull up something here which I prepared earlier for you, Reg. eBay is way different to Amazon, specifically when it is referring to what eBay will let you do. eBay will let you do heaps more than Amazon lets you do, heaps more. They are a lot more lenient with the images that you can use. Like, look at that image, for instance. That's the hero image on this particular page. You would never, ever get that passed on Amazon. You'd never get that passed. Look at this image. This is a whitening powder. You would never get that passed, ever get that passed on Amazon. All right, you just would not even, they'd throw you off in a heartbeat. So that tells us that you can and should market differently on eBay than you do Amazon. You should treat them differently. Do not just copy and paste one to the other, because there are so many things you can do on eBay that you cannot do on Amazon. So if you just copied and pasted across, you would put yourself at a unique disadvantage. And if you did the reverse, where you copied and pasted your advert from eBay to Amazon, you'd get your account shut down for sure. If you, of course, you were optimizing your eBay listing according to eBay's terms of service, then you would definitely get your account shut down on Amazon, because Amazon is much stricter with what you can do on the platform than eBay is. So Reg, do not just copy and paste across. Don't let some automatic piece of software do it for you. It's a recipe for disaster. Instead, what you want to do is come and get Sue's awesome eBay course, and that will teach you. So rawlocal.com.au/eBay, rawlocal.com.au/eBay. Get Sue's course. It'll show you exactly how to do it properly, because you can make a lot of money on eBay. Sue is testament to that. You can make a lot of money on Amazon. I am testament to that, as well as a load of other folks here in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. But you treat them differently. They're like same but different, all right? Same but different. There's nuances that allow you to optimize and exploit each platform differently, and you want to learn what they are rather than just going off half-cocked. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.